Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet cushion cover designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive and most amazing collection, Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet cushion cover designs and others like crochet bed sheets, pillow covers, curtains, table cover designs, and crochet women outfit ideas like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, bodycon, skirt designs, top designs, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, crochet women poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, open jacket designs also. Crochet baby frock designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and crochet jewelry like crochet necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also. Feet jewelry like crochet women anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then bye.